We do have a call on our line at 844-706-1212. Susan is with us from the Augusta area. Hi, Susan.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Could you share with us a little bit about some rental damage you had and how it's gone with the insurance company?
Okay, I had a property, and it's been about a year ago. They had a leak, and I called the insurance company, told them about the leak, and they came in and did an investigation, and they said that the roof was something about the roof. The repair on the roof wasn't done correctly, and that's what caused the leak. And it was my responsibility to fix the. They didn't pay anything, not even for the damage on the inside of the house. The ceiling, they didn't pay anything. They just denied coverage for the whole thing.
So you had
They didn't pay anything.
You had roof damage that was repaired, and then after it was repaired, you had leaks.
Yeah,
Okay.
but see the roof. I had a new roof put on when I moved out and rented the property.
Yes, ma'am. How long
And
ago
the
did
insurance
you?
company,
How long ago did you have the roof put on?
the roof was put on in, I want to say, 2000.
Okay, so 20 years ago.
Yep.
Yeah. What you're probably running into is some language in the insurance contract with regard to water or water damage, and you're going to really have to bring the insurance policy to us. Let us look at it and see if we can force them to pay for the damage inside your home. Insurance companies are allowed to basically write anything that they want in an insurance contract. And in order to properly advise you, we need to look at the policy itself, because we know to go right to the exclusion section of an insurance policy, because that's where all the bad language is, and see if we can help you with it. You're going to be rubbing your face into a brick wall until you do that, because they're just going to take the position there's no coverage, they're not going to make any effort to pay for your damage, and we can help you with that if you'll just come in and bring the policy. It really depends on that language, Susan.
Yeah, and Susan, there are private adjusters as well that come out and can examine that roof, because I'm assuming the people that said that this was a defect in how the roof was built or repaired were representatives of the insurance company themselves, and it just so happens it benefits the insurance company to find the poorly repaired roof. Oh, imagine that! So you can pay your own private adjuster that can help, and if that policy, of course, is written in a way that runs afoul of public policy of the state of Georgia, those clauses excluding those coverages are going to be taken out.
Void.
Yeah,
can't use it.
That's right.
I want to give you the number again up on the screen, 844-706-1212. If you're in process with the insurance company and you want a little free legal advice, Vic and Chase are here to help. We do have an email question that we've been mentioning about lowball offers. This comes from a viewer named Philip, who wants to know, Chase, at what point does a lowball offer from his insurance company become a case of bad faith?
Yeah, this is a question we get quite a bit, and it's kind of simple in a way. It's simple in that anytime an insurance company is looking at an issue that they're supposed to be covering for you, and they're looking out for themselves versus looking out for you, they're acting in bad faith. Now, it's a little more complicated than that, but just say, for instance, you hit somebody. You caused a lot of damage to their car. You ran the red light by accident, and they're going to be paralyzed for the rest of their life. Well, if you paid for $25,000 in coverage, the insurance company only has to pay out $25,000, and anything else that person is suing you for, you would have to pay for. Now, if the insurance company says, nah, we're not paying this $25,000, we'll give you 10, knowing that that other person has way more than $10,000 in damages, they're trying to withhold paying that $15,000, even though that you might have to pay a whole lot more if they continue to sue you. They're looking out for themselves instead of you. And in a situation like that, where it's very open and obvious that any insurance company that's reviewing this would say, we need to go ahead and pay this to look out for our client, look out for the person that's paying us for this policy. If they don't do that, then they open themselves up to bad faith, and that's really where these bad faith claims come from. They put the person that's paying them premiums at risk of losing everything because they're trying to look out for their pocket.